On Canvas, I have been updating all of your due dates on your homework assignments. So you've got the can do this Sunday, right? You also have note naming from week 1 due January 28th, whole steps, half steps. And then I'm making note naming is due February 5th. Page 30 is going to be due February 5th. I'm going to do 27, 28 due February 5th. Just so you can plan ahead. I'm going to get that on your Canvas calendar. Start getting those done. Some of you have already finished it, which is great. Remember, you can redo these as many times as you need, but I believe that it takes your last score, not necessarily your highest score, but your last score. Okay, so are there questions on the homework assignments? Let me just go over them one more time in the book, just so we're all on the same page. Is that all right? Would that be helpful? Okay, here we go. The first homework assignment is on page 20. And it is just naming whole steps. We did it a lot in class.
Wait, is it already on the thing, or we have to do it from the book? I'm sorry, I forgot.
It's a quiz. I basically what I did is I took all these homework assignments in the book and made a Canvas quiz that automatically corrects.
Oh, okay.
So you just got to hop on there and take the quiz on Canvas. And like I said, you can retake it as many times as you need. But it's going to give you the last score, not your highest score necessarily. So that's on there. So that's page 20. Page 23 is just note naming. Just filling in the blank for these 8 notes.
This is due on Sunday?
The first one was due on the 28th. Is due today, I think. And then the rest are due on February 5th.
Ooh.
And then 27, 28 is the review from chapter 1. Remember, we're writing, again, it's going to be multiple choice or fill in the blank on Canvas. So, or matching. So this, naming notes on the keyboard, naming notes in the treble clef, naming notes in the bass clef. Don't forget you're in the bass clef for number 3. And then number 4 is matching. And everything in the book, everything in this matching example has been in the book up until page 28. And then page 30 is talking about intervals. Remember, intervals are the distance between 2 notes. What kind of an interval is this?
Oh, I thought I was late on that first one. I already did it.
Okay.
Third.
So third. What kind of an interval is this? One, 2 for the line, 3 for the space, 4. Good. Okay, so we see how to do that. That's, again, going to be an online Canvas quiz. And then we have 3940, I think. And that's just another review. Again, everything on this review has been in the book thus far. This one, I think that we had to do a little bit different. It's still on Canvas, but this one they want you to draw the notes on the staff below the given note. So a third below is just G clef G. And they want you to put in the note name in the box. But again, that's going to be on Canvas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here's a little hint for all of these intervals. And I didn't learn this till I was way too old in life. The odd number intervals are going to match. So the fifth has a space note going to a space note. And the third has a line note going to a line note. Could also be a space note going to a space note, but they're going to match if they're odd. If they're even, they're not going to match. So fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be a line note. Doesn't match. Does that make sense? Okay. Sharp key signatures. What is our trick? What's our trick called? You've already forgotten.
Is it sharp up, flat back?
Sharp up, flat back. Good. So sharp up for our sharps. We go to our last sharp. In this case, it's step below home note E, and I get D, D sharp, up a half step on my piano, and I get the key of E. So that's going to be fill in the blank question on Canvas. All right, flat back is our trick for the flat keys. So not the last flat, but one flat back. In this case, it's G clef G step up, and I get A flat. Don't forget to put your flat sign, A flat major. The one key you can't do this trick for is one flat. You just have to remember that one flat is the key of F. All right, and then we have a matchy-matchy quiz. Where we're matching everything on the left with the column on the right. And everything in the book has been, everything on this has been covered in the book up to page 40. Questions, comments, concerns, friends with questions, private messages in the chat. All right, so you have until Friday the 5th, a week from tomorrow, to get that done, okay? All right, I believe that we're on 1-44 for our playing. The assignment due today is page 20. Note naming. And it's on Canvas. It's a quiz on Canvas. You just take the quiz on Canvas, and you can redo it as many times as you need. Okay, we're on 1-44. Sight reading. What can you tell me about 1-44?
In 2/4.
2/4 time signature. Good. What else?
There's a couple slurs.
Good. We have 2 slurs marking our phrases. Let me get a better screen share there for you. What else?
One sharp.
One sharp. What is it? F sharp. So we are in the key of G. Good.
We have dotted quarters.
Dotted quarters. That's the trickiest part about this whole example, isn't it? Do we all remember how the dotted quarter works? I'm going to draw the dotted quarter a different way. So here's a quarter note. And here's an eighth note. And here's another eighth note. A dotted quarter note is just like a quarter note tied to the first note of an eighth note. Because what generally comes after a dotted quarter note is an eighth note. Does everybody see that these two figures are the same? So I like to count these as pi apps. Pi apple pie. Pi apple pie. Does everybody see that? So let's go ahead and clap and count our rhythm. One, two, ready, go. Pie, apple pie, 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 apple pie, 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 pie. So we have the same rhythm in both hands, don't we? Any questions on our rhythm? All right, let's find our finger positions. I'm putting my left hand pinky on G below bottom space A. I'm putting my right hand pinky on D below top space E, which puts my thumb on G clef G. So I'm going to start with my pinkies. 1, 2, ready, go. Left hand pinky. Pie up, step up, step down, skip up to thumb. Same note, same note. Right hand 5. Pie up, step down, step up, skip down. Leap up to 5, leap down to thumb. How did we do? We were supposed to have circled our thirds and fourths. Where are our fourths and our thirds?
Is it the note measure 2 to measure 3?
Measure 2 to measure 3 is a fourth. Yep, A to D. Good. There's one more fourth and one more skip.
1, 2, 3, 4. The 6th measure to the 7th measure?
6th measure to the 7th measure is our third. Yep, that's our skip. And we have one more fourth.
The A to the D in the 7th measure.
Good. There's our fourth. Good. Can we try it one more time? I'm in a G major 5-finger pattern in each hand. 1, 2, ready. Let's go. Left hand 5. Step up, step up, step down, leap up to thumb. Same note, same note. Right hand 5. Step down, step down, step up, skip down, leap up to 5, leap down to thumb. Did we get it? All right, let's go on. Number 5. What can you tell me about it?
It's in 6/8.
Yeah. Good. What else?
We're in F major.
F major. Good. Where are we going to put our hands?
The left hand pinky is going to be on F clef F.
Good. So we're in an F major 5-finger pattern in the left hand. What about the right hand?
Our pinky on the right hand is going to be on C. Or our thumb is going to be on F. Right below G clef G.
Good. So both hands are in F major 5-finger pattern. Good. All right, let's clap and count this rhythm. When we are in 6/8 time signature, that means that the 8th note is our new pi. So a dotted quarter is how many 8th notes?
3.
3. So we are going to have pi, pi, pi for each dotted quarter. Let's clap and count this rhythm. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Pi, pi, pi. 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 Pi, pi. Second line. Pi, pi, pi. Pi, pi, pi. Pi, pi. Pi, 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 pi. Pi, pi. Pi, pi, pi. Pi, 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 pi. Yeah? Did we get it? Any questions? All right. Let's find our hand positions. Starting with our pinkies again. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Left hand pinky. Skip up. Step down. Step up. Step up. Step down. Step down. Skip up. Step down. Same note. Step up. Step up. Right hand, finger 5. Step down. Step down. Skip up. Step down. Step down. Step down. Leaping back up to finger number 5. Step down. Step down. Step down. Step down. How'd it go? I hope you're seeing if you set your hands up in the right spot and just see how far we're moving.
Can we do it one more time, please?
Absolutely. Absolutely. So let's get our hands in the right spot. Is your left hand 2 on a B flat, black note? Right hand 4 on the B flat? One, 2, 3, here we go. Left hand pinky. Skip up. Step down. Step up. Step up. Step down. Step down. 4. Skip up. Step down. Same note. Step up. Step up. Right hand pinky. Step down. Step down. Skip up. Step down. Step down. Step down. Leap up to finger number 5. Step down. Step down. Step down. Step down. How did we do? Was it better?
Yeah, it was better.
Good. Good. All right, so good reading. I want to go on to the next section, which is called harmonization. We're going to be doing more harmonization as the semester goes on, but this is our first time kind of experiencing harmonization. What is harmony?
We're playing multiple parts at once.
Yeah. Yeah, so when I think of harmony, I think of 2 people or more singing at the same time, 2 different parts. So what they want us to do is they want us hanging out on this low G and D, and they want us to repeat that same chord for every measure. But they're not going to print it out anymore. They're just going to want us to do it all on our own. Just say, hey, keep playing that on every first measure beat, or every beat of each measure. So that's an open 5th. It's our 5-finger pattern without the middle 3 notes in it. We're just going to be playing that over and over and over and over again while we play the right hand melody. What did you notice about the right hand melody? Anything you notice about the right hand melody? Yeah, somebody in the chat said it's smooth. It's very smooth. It's all stepwise motion, except you've got a skip here, a skip here, and a skip here, and a skip here. Everything else is a step. Let's clap our right hand rhythm. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Pie, 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 pie. Pie, 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 pie. Pretty easy. It's in a nice 5-finger pattern. So my right hand thumb is on G clef G. My left hand pinky is on G below bottom space A. And my left hand thumb is on D, a skip below F clef F. So I'm going to start with 5-1 in the left hand and 1 in the right hand. 1, 2, 3, here we go. Step up, repeat your chord. Step down, repeat your chord. Step up, step up, step up, step up with chord. Same note, repeat your chord. Skip down, skip up, repeat your chord. Skip down, skip up, repeat your chord. Step down, step down, step down, step down, repeat your chord. How'd we do? This time I'm not going to tell you to repeat your chord. Just make sure you repeat it every time on beat 1. 1, 2, 3, here we go. Thumb in the right. Step up, step up, step down, step down, step up, step up, step up, step up. Same note, skip down, skip up, skip down, skip up, step down, step down, step down, step down. Nice little pirate beer drinking song or something. All right, we do all right? All right, what about 1-47? What's going on with that one? Four time signature. Good. What else?
We're in F major.
F major fortissimo. Good.
Our left hand's gonna be on F clef F and middle C.
You got it. 2 home notes in the left. Nice. Pretty smooth again. Yeah. What do we have? We have some skips.
Just half notes and quarter notes.
Yeah. So there you go. I've marked your skips for you. Let's clap and count the rhythm. 1, 2, ready, go. Pie, 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 pie. Not bad, huh? There's my F major 5-finger patterns. I'm going to take out the 3 middle notes in my left hand, so I just have my shell. And I'm going to start with a pinky in my right hand. 1, 2, ready, go. 5, skip down, step up, step up, step up, step up, skip down, skip up, same note, skip down, skip down, step up, step up, step up, step up, skip down, How'd we do? One more time. One, two, ready, go. Right hand 5. Skip down, skip down, step up, step up, step up, step up, skip down, skip up, same note, skip down, skip down, step up, step up, step up, step up, skip down, skip down. Did we get it? So that's harmonization. We're going to be doing a lot more of that, and it's going to get a little bit more complex, not just one chord in our left hand. We're going to add a few more chords, a couple more chords. All right. So that's pretty much all of chapter 2. Yesterday we started unit 3, which was our 5-finger patterns. Let's find today an E major 5-finger pattern. I want you to send me a private message in the chat when you found E major. I want you to tell me what is the color configuration for an E major 5-finger pattern. In C major, it was white, 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 white. And in D and A major, it was white, white, black, white, white. What is it going to be for E major? Remember our formula? Our formula is first note, whole step, half step, whole step. Good, Harley. You are right. Check it, friend, in the chat. We start on a white key. Good, Preston.
Wait, did you say E or E flat?
E.
Oh.
E is an effluent. But you were right for E flat. Good job. Good, Matthew. You gave me the whole scale, but we're just going to play the first 5 of that. Good. Good, Nico. Good, Marissa. All right. So we have E. Up a whole step, we get F sharp. Up a whole step, we get G sharp. Up a half step, we get A. Up a whole step, we get B. And my computer thinks I'm in a different key. Let's try doing our 5-finger pattern. Remember, we're going to do apples, then we're going to do pies, and then we're going to do pies. 1, 2, ready, let's go up. Apple, apple, coming down. Apple, apple, up and skips. Pie, 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 down and skips. Pie, pies, pie. 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5 chord smash. Let's do it again. 1, 2, ready, up in steps. Down in steps. Up in skips. Down in skips. 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5 chord smash. How'd we do? So we've now done the 5-finger patterns in the key of C, the key of G, the key of D, the key of A, and the key of E, I believe. We've done 5 of our white keys. Let's figure out F major real quick. What is the 5-finger pattern going to look like for F major? Send me a private message in the chat. What is my color configuration for F major? Good, Preston. Good, Harley. Good, Nico. Good, Marissa. Good, Alex. Friend in the chat, you missed your last note. There you go. Good, Matthew. All right, so if we start on F, up a whole step, we get G. Up a whole step, we get A. Up a half step, we get B flat. And up another whole step, we get C. So white, 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 black, white. Let's play our F major 5-finger pattern. 1, 2, ready, up in steps. Down in steps. Up in skips. Down in skips. 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5 chord smash. One more time. 1, 2, ready, let's go. Step down. Skip up. Skip down. 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5 chord smash. All right, let's go on to B major. It's our last white key. Tell me in the chat, what is the color configuration for B major 5-finger pattern? Good, Marissa. Good, Preston. This key is the hardest one of all of them, I'm afraid. Good, Nico.
For real.
Harley, you gave me B flat. Let's just do B starting on a white key. Good, Alex. Good, Matthew, but you gave me one too many. Try again, friend in the chat. We're going to have 3 black keys in there. There you go, Vianda. Good job, Vianda. So we are going to start on B. There you go, Harley. Good job. Up a whole step. Up a whole step. Up a half step. Up a whole step. So the answer was white, black, black, white, black. Are you ready? 1, 2, ready. Let's go. Down in steps. Up in skips. Down in skips. 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5 chord smash. It's kind of an awkward one, isn't it? Let's try it again. 1, 2, ready. Let's go. White, black, black, white, black, white, black, black, white, black, 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 white, white, black, black, chords, smash. How'd we do? So that's everything you need to get your first badge in Canvas. Record those 7 keys. C major, G major, D major, A major, E major, B major, F major. That's okay. You got plenty of time to get these done. All right. So if it helps you, go ahead and do page 42 in your book, or write your answers in for 42 in your book, so you know where your fingers are going to go. That B major one was really tricky, so I'm going to do that one. B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp. Do you remember my 3 rules? What are my 3 rules? Don't
mix sharps and flats.
Don't skip a letter.
Don't skip a letter.
Don't repeat a letter.
Good. Don't skip a letter. Don't repeat a letter. Don't mix. Sharps and flats. Nice job. All right. So we got about 4 minutes. Let's try to figure one out for a black key. Which black key should we do?
A flat.
A flat it is. All right. A flat. Up a whole step. What do we get?
B flat.
B flat. Up a whole step. What do we get?
C.
C. Up a half step. What do we get?
D flat.
D flat. Up a whole step. What do we get?
E flat.
E flat. There it is. So it is black, black, white, black, black. Let's do that one real quick. Ready, go. 5 and 1, 4 and 2, 3s, 2 and 4, 1 and 5, 2 and 4, 3s, 4 and 2, 5 and 1, 3s, 1 and 5, 3s, 5 and 1, 5 3 1 1 3 5 chord smash. Good. D flat major is also the same color configuration, which is black, black, white, black, black. Let's try that one. 3s are on Fs, yeah? 1, 2, Ready. Let's go. 5 and 1. 4 and 2. 3s. 2 and 4. 1 and 5. 2 and 4. 3s. 4 and 2. 5 and 1. Skip up to 3. 1 and 5. 3s. 5 and 1. 5 3 1 1 3 5 chord smash. All right, have we had enough fun today? So you can start working on this. This is your second badge that you can earn doing your 5-finger patterns in black keys. So get your page 20 done for tonight. Get your can done for Sunday. And then all your other homework assignments thus far are due on February 5th. Have a good weekend. Be safe. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Remember who you were and what you stood for. And we'll see you on Monday.
Thanks, Dr. B.
You are welcome.